Welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn National Geographic Little Kids Here to There. How does the transportation system have changed our lives? Table of Contents, Chapter 1, Then and Now, Chapter 2, Up and Down, Chapter 3, Super Speeds, Chapter 4, People Power. Chapter 1, Then and Now. Look around. It seems like people are always on the move. They go to work or school and take trips for fun. They also explore new places. Boats go on water. Cars and trains go on land. Planes go in the sky. People have always had ways to travel. Long ago, wind, animals, or people made things move. Wind pushed boats, animals pulled carts. People made boats move too. Today, we have many ways to travel. Wind, animals, and people can still make things move. But cars, trains, planes, and boats can go fast. They get power from fuel, electricity, or the sun. This car can travel without a driver. It knows when to stop and when to go. Your turn. How do you get around your neighborhood? Think of a place near your home or school. Describe how you would get to that place. Would you walk, bike, or ride in a car? Chapter 2, Up and Down. Some things go up and down. Hang gliders do that. They soar above the earth. The glider is like a big kite. The rider flies high above the trees. An airship floats above a city. Passengers watch the scenery beneath them as the ship moves through the air. People stand in baskets beneath these hot air balloons. Soon, they float into the sky. This cable car uses a strong wire to go up and down. The wire is called a cable. The car's wheels roll along the cable to take people up a mountain. These cars move up and down a big hill. A cable pulls them along a track. Some planes are so big that they have 2 floors. These is lots of room inside this plane for people and cargo. There is not much room in this plane. Only the pilot can fit inside. Submarines take people deep below the surface of the ocean. People in this submarine learn about animals that live on the ocean floor. People ride the subway. The train goes below the city. Helicopters are smaller and lighter than most airplanes. They can fly straight up and down, and they can take off from and land almost anywhere. Seaplanes can take off from water. They can land over sea. Chapter 3, Super Speeds. Jet planes can fly very high in the sky. Their engines help them fly faster than other kinds of planes. This car has the same engines as some jets. It is the fastest car in the world. You can see right under this ferry. Only the bottom edges of its hull touch the water. That helps the boat move fast. There's air between the hull of this boat and the water. That makes the boat glide on the water. It moves fast. When you go fast, you need to be safe. Some cars need help slowing down after going so fast. It takes a parachute and brakes to stop this drag racer's wheels. The car is slowing down by a parachute. These cars have wide wheels. That helps them go around turns. If you're in a hurry, you could take this train. There are magnets attached to the underside of this train. There are also magnets in the rails below the train. The magnets push away from each other. That makes the train float above the rails. It's a fast way to travel. Your turn. The maglev train can go so fast because it floats just a little bit above its tracks thanks to magnets. Can you make magnets pull and push on each other? Try it and see what you will need. 2 bar magnets. 1. Put one magnet flat on the table. 2. Put the other magnet flat on the table so that the ends of the magnets are pointing right at each other. Leave a little bit of space between the magnets. 3. Slow, slide one magnet toward the other magnet. What happens? Opposite poles attract, same poles repel. Chapter 4. People Power. Some ways to travel need people to make them move. It can be difficult to move a handcar. The riders have to push up and down to make the car go. Riding on one wheel looks difficult, but people learn to do it. Walking on stilts is fun. These kids are high off the ground. Being on stilts helps them see far away. In the past, people used bikes to get around. The seat on this one is very high. Water in this canal freezes in the winter. It makes a smooth sheet of ice. People can ice skate through the city. Lots of people like to roll. It is easy to rollerblade on the smooth street. These taxis are like bikes. Many drivers wait in a line. They are ready to take people from place to place. Many people can ride this bike at once. Would you cross a river in a pumpkin or ride on a raft made of milk carton? People make boats from all sorts of different things. There are so many different ways to get from here to there. How do you travel?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.